Hey guys, what we got going on today is the last little bit of that 2-day event snowstorm that we had that was about 10 inches that dumped on the ground. After the last lot, I always go up to my mom and dad's and kind of clean out their area up there. Well, when I pulled into that place, it was all of 2 foot of snow on the whole road, and the city has not been there yet, and there was no real tracks in and out for at least a day, and 3/4 of the people up in that subdivision owns, like, I don't know, cars and minivans and, you know, kind of a family oriented place there. So I proceeded to blast it out. I felt really bad for them because they couldn't get in and out. pretty deep. This is about a week later. Right in this area right here, there was about a 2-foot drift. You can see where I kind of pushed it up on the edges and all the way around. And nobody could get in and out of here at all. You can kind of see what we got up here where I pushed it up in a big pile. Same thing with right there. That guy's yard. Cleaned out this little cul-de-sac. And yeah, this cul-de-sac had about 2+ feet in it. There's the other pile that I made. This is Mom and Dad's house here. But yeah, most of these guys couldn't get out of their driveways. So I ended up cleaning up this area up here. Did all these guys' driveways. And I kind of went down that way. I don't know if you can see it. But I went down that road down there, cleaned it up so they could get out. This lady here was completely snow drifted in. You can see the piles. I had to get her out of there. Yeah, you can see all the piles on the side of the road. Just how bad it really was up here. You know, if you had a 4-wheel drive, you could probably get out of here. It wasn't really a big deal. It's all the people that have the cars and the minivans and, you know, they were not getting out of here. So kind of see. I don't know even if that camera does any justice, but there was nobody that could come in and out of this place, and the city wasn't coming anytime soon. So I mean, you can kind of see that mailbox there. Kind of. It is just buried. Undid these guys' parking lot. I don't think I picked her all up. There was a percentage that I think the battery died, some of it. So, but yeah, just kind of show you the aftermath of all that snowstorm. They do not maintain this road at all. There's a bunch of elderly people who live up here, and I couldn't imagine one of them getting stuck up here and just not being able to get out. So yeah, I felt bad up here. I probably spent 2 or 3 hours up here just cleaning the road, making sure everybody could get in and out, back dragging sorry guys. Back dragging all their driveways so that there's plenty of access to come in and out of there. So felt pretty bad for one lady. She came out and gave me a loaf of bread. She said that her son came up 2 different times trying to get in and out of there, and basically got stuck both times. He couldn't even get in there. So which is a pretty big deal. I mean, if somebody had any kind of medical problems that somebody needed to get in there, I could have been real bad, real fast. So what I did is I just went up there and blasted her out for them, make sure everybody was all safe. So, well, anyways, like, subscribe, do all the little ding dong things that YouTube wants you to do, and don't forget, if you don't start a project, you damn sure can't finish a project. Get off your ass, go start a project. I know sometimes it's really hard to start and finish a project, but it's get done. Alright guys, keep her out of the ditches. We'll be seeing you later.